Hello, I'm Rishu from justtutors.com. Today we are going to learn about chemical effects of electric current. Now, moving forward here, so in this session we are going to learn a good and bad conductor of electricity, testing the effects of electricity on liquid. So these are some pre-assessment questions. You can pause the video and you can do the question. After that, we can go ahead with the answers. Question 1. Can you name a few metals that are good conductor of electricity? We can say copper, iron, and there are many more. Question 2. What object can be used to indicate the flow of electricity? So you must have seen this object. This is known as tester, that is used to find whether electricity is there or not. Moving forward, a liquid sounds good conductor of electricity. So we already know, like you know cobalt, aluminium, these copper, these are good conductor of electricity that allows electric current to pass through them. But there are few materials like wood, plastic, rubber that are not good conductor of electricity. Okay, so there is one thing in common between all the elements, that they are all solid. Now the main question which arises is, like some solid, are there any liquid as well which are also good conductor of electricity? The answer is yes. Let's see. So, so commonly known as solution that conduct electricity. So, distilled water, pure, if water is pure, that is a poor conductor of electricity, whereas salt water, tap water, good conductor of electricity. Liquids like tap water, vinegar, edible oil, or some acid base and salt are commonly known as good conductor of electricity. It allows electricity to pass through it because whenever electricity is passed through it, a chemical reaction occur inside the solution. If water is pure, there is no reaction inside the solution, so it becomes bad conductor. But if there is some salt inside it, it will allow electricity to pass through it. Water itself is a bad conductor, but due to the presence of some salt, it become a good conductor of electricity. Now moving forward here, just like solid, we can choose the following item to test the passage of electric current through a liquid solution. Okay, so we need a beaker containing the solution to be tested. This is the beaker. There inside we have solution which is to be tested. A conducting wire like copper. This is a copper wire. An electric cell or a small battery. An electric bulb or a tester. Okay, and if you connect all of them, you'll see that the electric bulb glows. It glows because water allows electric current to pass through it. That means as if it's not pure, if the water is not distilled, it is a good conductor of electricity. Now, testing the degree of conduction, how much, or what is the degree? That means how much current is passing through it. See, so immerse the two end of the copper wire in a solution water containing tap water or vinegar. Place a light bulb within the copper wire. Now connect the remaining two ends of the wire to an electric cell. This completes the circle. It will complete the circuit here. Now, if the bulb glows completely or partially, okay, if the bulb glows completely, that means it is a good conductor of electricity. If it glows partially, that means it is a weak conductor of electricity. If it does not glow at all, that means it is not a conductor of electricity. Let's move forward here. So we are on to the practice question here. You can pause the video, you can try the question, and then we can discuss the answer. Question 1. Name some materials that are good conductor of electricity. So as we know, like copper, iron, aluminium. Name some materials that are bad conductor of electricity. Wood, rubber. Question 3. If a liquid allows electric current to pass through it and the bulb in the circuit still doesn't glow, what could be the reason? The main reason could be that the circuit is not complete. Okay, or the second reason could be that there is no chemical reaction taking place inside the water. Question 4. What effect does electric current produce when it passes through a conducting solution? effect it produces, like the chemical reaction occurs inside the water when the electric current is passed through it. So there you might see some particles, dust particles inside that solution. Okay, our main effect is like the bulb glows. If you complete the circuit, the bulb glows. Thank you for watching this video. For more, please visit www.justtutors.com.